Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I know it's been many days since I've uploaded anything in YouTube at all because I was busy doing content for Instagram. If you're interested, please check my Instagram page. I would, provide the link in my description box. I'm here to talk about cooking, the art of cooking. I never thought in my life that I would do a video like this ever, but it just struck my mind so hard that I just wanted to share this with you all, guys. Honestly speaking. Um, what you all think about cooking? What are your views on cooking? I just really wanted to know because you know what I literally used to think was it's just our mom's job, and anybody who used to cook, I never gave any importance to those people who used to actually cook. I always used to think that it's just their job and they're just doing their job, but uh, the struggle behind any chef is real. Like seriously, it's no matter if it's your mom, if it's your brother, if it's your father, you should just give the credit to them. When my mom used to cook for us, we never used to give her credit. We never used to tell that, oh my god, your mom, you cooked amazing food. I never used to compliment her also. But then when I started cooking now, I literally want that validation from people that, oh my god, your food is seriously good. I just I literally want that. It feels so good after a lot of struggle when people give you compliment for your food. It just gives you that good feeling. I feel like, oh my god, I just succeeded. I literally feel like that. So now the backdrop, when my mom used to just ask me to just cook the bhargavi, cook because you have to cook for your husband, for your children and everything. So then I used to feel like, why should I cook? My husband will cook, my maid will cook, my anybody who will help me would definitely cook for me. So I used to think that the reason why that thought came inside me was, she literally stereotyped cooking for women. Like she told me that women should learn cooking, which didn't go inside my brain because I don't feel like cooking or any kind of a job is only for a particular gender. It's regardless of that. So of course we can't blame anybody for this because our society is like that. People think like that. Certain jobs are only for certain gender, but now everything is changed. Everything is literally changed. Nobody is less than anybody. Everybody have their same struggle. Everybody have their own way of doing the things. So from that point onwards, I never used to give any importance to cooking. Like literally, I just ignored the fact that I have to learn cooking to be independent. So my idea of independence was always doing a job, settling over, earning a lot of money, buying a house, buying a car. So my idea of independence was always this. But I when this quarantine came, like literally I was missing the food which I used to eat in restaurants, and all the outside food, the street food, junk food, everything. So I one day I asked my mom to just cook this noodles, Chinese noodles for me. And of course she cooks very well, but I never like that taste of that street. I didn't got, like my taste buds just couldn't take it. So what I did was, that day I just randomly saw a YouTube video to how to make a street noodles. So and then I just googled it, and I saw a YouTube video, and I thought of doing my own no, to satisfy my taste buds. So and then I just got that taste, like not exactly the same taste, but I know kind of a taste like that. So I was like, okay, so I can cook too. So I, from that day onwards, I just started experimenting different kind of foods. Like I used to make pav bhaji, I used to make breakfast, I used to make different kind of foods. Some one day I think you saw my video in YouTube, which that pani puri challenge with my sister. That pani puris was made by me, and I never thought it would turn out so good. I never thought I had that skill in me, but it just turned out so good that I felt like okay, I can cook too. And I from that day onwards, I never used to bother my mom, and I just straight. I just went to kitchen and chop, 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 and then just do my own food. It was like that. So my idea of independence, like literally, it just changed, because it's not only about money, it's not only about your luxury, it's not only about your lifestyle. It's about, if you really wanted to be independent, I think you should learn cooking, because whatever we do, a job, if you're a businessman, if you are a teacher, doctor, actor, whatever you are, you just do it for the food, right? And that is a basic thing, man. Like that's a basic human skill that everyone should acquire. Like literally, I think that. And it just hit me so hard that nobody taught us the importance of cooking in our childhood. No book has given the fact that you should learn cook. No teacher has told me that you should learn cooking in a good manner. Of course, people used to, my own relatives used to tell me that, oh Harkavi, you are a woman, so you should learn cooking. So not this stereotype wala advice, I don't take it. I literally don't want it to take it. But this skill is, regardless of gender, everyone should have this skill. So I just hope that kids nowadays should learn cooking. Like their parents should teach them how to cook, at least the basic needs like dal, chawal and everything. That's the basic survival skill. So obviously I just hope the kids nowadays know the importance of cooking. uh, so yeah, that's it, guys. If you want videos like this more, please comment in the comment section, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.